Hey everybody, I'm Randall Ray and welcome back to my channel for another weekly workshop update. This week's kind of a quick one. Not really a whole lot going on in the shop. Not much of progress on the airboat, but there is some, so we'll go ahead and jump right in. Basically, this week, workshop-wise, I finished up an order. I had a wood Florida silhouette that I engraved for somebody. I don't know if you can see it. I engraved it with the Legoland logo, and then I went ahead and backlit it. Backlit, it's nothing special, but it is a little unique. I know others do it, but it is something that I don't normally do on a smaller piece, but the gentleman really wanted it and I wanted to try out a different lighting system, so I'm using a battery pack instead of the actual power box, which I like a whole lot more. It only comes in a smaller LED strip instead of the large one that I've used in the past, but it works out and it'll allow me to work on, or it'll allow me to apply that backlighting to smaller pieces now. Basically, other than that, in the workshop, it's been a little bit slow. Haven't worked on any of my own projects. Been trying to test the computer as much as possible, get everything situated so I could take some final shots. In fact, I just did that over the weekend, so jumping right into the desk, I spent the last week and a half testing, actually edited the last video with the desk. Super happy with the performance. I don't know if I mentioned in the past, but basically the computer, because components are so expensive right now with the crypto mining craze, the computer isn't as high-end as I would like it to be, but it is going to work out great for me, and when the crypto mining stuff crashes, I will be able to pick up some very cheap components and upgrade it even more. So, as of right now, works out perfectly for what I'm trying to do. I do have a little bit of an update on the airboat. Nothing much has really happened, but as of right now, the grass rig is being made, the seats are being ordered, or the seats covers are being ordered, and we need to make a mount for the front seat. Wiring has begun, batteries are in, gas tank is in, just kind of getting down to the final touches. In fact, he probably could start the boat sometime soon, but I think he's going to wait until he gets everything finished before we take that maiden voyage. Other than that, work-wise has been a little bit slow this week. We did do a few jobs. Had a final grade last week, a deck grade. Did this morning. We actually spread out some dirt to raise a yard for a woman. Basically, during the hurricane and the summer months, her yard floods, pretty bad. So she brought in a couple loads of dirt. We spread that all out this morning to raise her yard up. Hopefully that alleviates any issues in the coming summer months. Other than that, works, like I said, it's been a little bit slow. It actually should be picking up here in the next month or so. In fact, we just picked up another pool company. We're going to do a final for tomorrow and see how it goes. So, super excited about that. Other than that, everything is kind of just moving along. Not a whole lot of orders. I've been still, plugging along and trying to promote myself weekly. I'm not sure if I maybe need to change the times that I'm posting and what the deal is. I haven't got as much interest as I have when I do post in the past. Maybe I'm bleeding out the local market dry here. Maybe not. I do want to try to reach out to a couple local home goods stores, stuff like that, see if I can't get some placement on my products and see how that goes. Not sure if I'll sell to them, consign, or how that really works, but we're going to reach out and try. Other than that though, there's really not much going on. I am beginning the desk edit. Not sure how I'm going to go about that, because I do have some interest, or I've gotten some interest from folks who want to see a how-to. I don't really know if I want to do that. I think I'm going to continue with my current style, which is going to be just a fast-paced, in-depth. You'll see most of the actual parts and everything like that. So I won't skip anything, but it'll all be fast-paced to music, and then I'll do a written post. I haven't really done a voiceover how-to. I'm not sure if that's something I want to do on this project in particular. I may try it on something smaller and just see how I like it, but for now it'll be my same style of video, and then you'll see a actual blog post over my website. I'll link it. Well, my website's already linked in the description, but when I do that video, I'll link the actual blog post in that video. So other than that, I'm plugging along. This is going to be a quicker update than normal. I say that most times and it ends up being like 10-11 minutes, but this one should be fairly quick. Hope everybody is doing good. Would love to hear some feedback from you guys, at least on what you would like to see for that desk video. If you want an in-depth parts and component list, basically, of everything that's going to the computer. I mean, basically, anything you want to see, just let me know. Leave a comment below. Like, dislike the video. Subscribe if you don't already. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.